Hey guys, and welcome back. This is actually the day I'm going home from Thailand, which is a bit mixed feelings because it has been a really nice season in the end. I do not really feel like going home already, but sometimes you just have to do what is needed. So I have packed my bag over here. As you can see, really nice. It is fully packed with camera gear because I just bought the new stuff, so I don't have so much space anymore. My camera bag is also full. Remind me to buy a new camera bag for next time. And also, like, the cool fact is that when I started as a guide like almost 4 years ago, I actually had 2 suitcases packed with clothing, and now I have 1 suitcase, which is half of it is basically camera gear and half of it is clothes. So I've gone down in clothing a little bit and up my photography stuff. But yes, I believe that this video is more dedicated to you people that have a lot of questions about Thailand. So I will, in this video, for the first couple of weeks, I will just answer every question you have in Thailand, which is gonna be really nice to get to know you all, and then also I can answer all the questions that you might have or just want to say hello. I know I've been talking about this before, but as I said, guys, if you really want to do traveling or you want to do a passion stuff, it's something you really should do. Even if you're having a full-time job, maybe you cannot travel so much, maybe start saving up a little bit extra so you can actually go traveling more. Or is it the time to change up your career fully? So that is something that is very important to me, to get people motivated to do something that they really want to.
You want him to do you so much you could do anything?
And it's very important to do that for yourself also, so you don't lay there older, whatever, and feel like now it's too late. It's never too late as long as you're not over like 70 years old, basically. Maybe it's not even too late for you then. So I'm just saying that just keep on going for everything and you're awesome, everyone. But now, skip to the part that you guys been waiting for. And obviously, you guys love to see me travel back or travel to a destination. Let's just go on with that part. Okay, I have now come to the airport. So it's really nice checking my luggage. I did manage to get all my stuff with me, which was really nice because otherwise I've had everything in my pocket or checked in luggage. So it's really nice to be here. I'm gonna find my gate and update you guys. Finally landed in Copenhagen, ready to pick up my baggage, and it's been really nice. I had so much leg room. Did you see? Crazy. Feels so weird coming back after that long trip, but I'm happy to be back finally. I'm just gonna pick up my bag over here somewhere. See you soon. Hey guys, and I'm back in Sweden, which is fantastic. Let's just sit down again like we used to in this really nice place. Ooh, the light is actually amazing. I look very brown here. So it's amazing to actually be back in my old room again. I didn't really have more than just a few minutes, it felt like, until I was doing stuff with my friends. So we met up and I was trying out my new lens actually. So that was really cool to do that when I came back home. So we did have a little bit of a hike slash photo shoot out in the forest, which was really cool. I could really like talk to my friends again, and then also try out my new lens, which was super nice actually. I will try to show you guys more of the footage that I got with it. So my plan now when I'm home, I'm gonna try and get my wardrobe set up to have all my film gear there, because it's getting a little bit more now than before, as we've spoken about, and I really need a big space to have everything sorted, and I don't really have that. I had a little box with everything in, and seriously, it doesn't work like that, Kevin. Now I have too much stuff. I really need to expand my space for it. So that's mostly what I'm gonna do now when I'm home. I'm gonna be home for around like a little bit more than a month until I'm going to Spain, and then I'm going to Crete after that. So this is more like an update, what's going on the channel, what are we gonna do. So probably now when I'm home again, I will do much more product reviews and more about the photography and filmmaking side of things before I can show you a new destination. So we'll talk a little bit more about that now while I'm home. So I would like to know a little bit more about you guys. What you want to see first? Do you want to see more of the gimbal first, or maybe the lens, or some more stuff that I'm actually using? Maybe I'm gonna do a what's it called? What's in my bag? Yeah, what's in my bag for 2022? That would be super cool to have actually. Just checking out my gear and help you guys to pick something that you might want to upgrade, or that you just need something new to become better in what you're doing. It's a very beautiful day today, so I will start doing my sorting of the wardrobe. Then I'll probably take my little scooter outside and go somewhere, and that's gonna be really nice. So until next time, guys, I wish you the best week ever. And then I'll see you next week. Goodbye.